Blood of the Travellers.
That's absolutely brilliant. This is a film that myself and Francis, we started dreaming about really about 16 years ago when we first met, when Francis was attempting to go out to the Olympics. And there's been lots of people involved in it, a great team, and I just want to quickly acknowledge our edit team of Mick Mahan, Roisin O'Donnell, and I want to acknowledge in Scratch Films, Orla and Emma. I want to say thanks to Mairead Nuwan and Ray McCarthy for letting us make this and make it happen. And then also, I just want to thank, firstly, France's wife, Kathleen, and my own wife, Corinne, because in the middle of it all, they fed us. When we didn't know what it was about, they kicked us back out working. So thanks to them. And just like Francis to say a quick word.
I'd like to thank RT for giving us the opportunity, and I'd like to thank all the travelling people that give us the opportunity of doing their DNA, and I'd just like to thank IFTA for this award. Thank you very much.
I'd just like to thank Liam for all the positive, brilliant work he's done in this documentary for us, for Travellers, because it was really very important. For Barrett.